What's up, guys? We are working on this bad boy today. Kennedy. So we're installing some new fogs. Kennedy's working on removing the fogs right now, and also putting some new mirror covers. So we're actually gonna take out the whole fog light assembly, okay, the OEM one, so I can take off the bottom half of it and then put this aftermarket bracket that attaches to the Baja fogs, and that will attach to the other half of the OEM bracket. Fuck, I've been doing the wrong one. What you mean? So you have to keep the top bracket?
Yeah, the top half.
This guy?
Yeah. Yeah, the half.
So I guess pretty much you keep this and take off this part.
Yeah. Where the actual fog light lens housing is.
Okay.
You take that part off.
So I got the first one out.
So after you take off whole housing, I believe you take off this part, which connects to this part. And then you use this bracket to put here, somewhere there, and then it attaches someplace there. I don't know. Fuck, hold on.
And while he was working on that, we're gonna go ahead and remove his door panel, kick panel, the door sills, to get ready to pull off this mirror. Remove the clips from your window switch, and also remove or swing this tab over so you could take off the door handle and get access to pull off the whole panel. It's one bolt tab on the top. And next step is to remove the glass. Get as much finger back there as you can. And it should pop off.
Insert SpongeBob meme.
How many years later?
Oh, 1 year.
So hold on by these two clips. Then just disconnect this wiring. There you have it. I don't know if we're supposed to take the whole mirror off, but or the mirror housing, but we're just gonna do so.
Here's the housing all together. Then remove this Phillips screw and the 3 screws on the bottom. Once you got that off, kind of untape this. Pull off this rubber. Unscrew these guys. We might have to cut this guy and resplice it after. Just because this connector can't fit through here when we pull it all the way through. Here's the side mirror that we're gonna be putting on. Side mirror cover. JDM style. Got the signal light and puddle light. So we can start by feeding these wires through this guy. Then feed these wires through here. Then you put back the 4 screws. I'm gonna use a screwdriver and not an impact on this one because you don't know, it might strip or bust the plastic. Then you feed your wires back to this guy. Once you got the mirror back on, we can take off the speaker so we have room for our hands to feed these wires through. So you gotta unclip these 2 clips, which was connected to this guy and that guy. And the connector side stays on the door side, and the non-connector side is the one that we're gonna be feeding through the cab side. Gonna try to use a zip tie for our feeder.
Grab another washer.
Yeah, go ahead. Once you got your feeder, your zip tie in, or whatever you guys are using. Oh no, camera.
Hi, camera.
Hey, Kennedy. Grab your tape. Tape it to the zip tie. Then you pull and feed at the same time. Then we're gonna leave enough slack to come down and then come out the door and go up and for these guys to connect. So this should be long enough. Then you can put this guy back. Feed all of this through. We can go ahead and plug these guys back in. And we're left with this. Got the wires through the door. Clean. Once you got it all tidied up, zip tied and ran down alongside the existing wires, came out of this hole right here, run it up, zip tied, and pretty much can pop in these pins into this connector. So it's pretty much color for color. Just pop it in. And don't forget to splice this guy back. Same thing, color for color.
So here we stand now. Gareth broke my car.
I'm sorry.
But yeah, that's why I don't do electrical stuff. Get you a man that does it for a living.
Me. Or Dean, the car electrician.
Dane, do my sounds, can.
He said yeah.
Oh, Raja, get.
Alright. So we're pretty much finished with wiring. I ran the wires down and up and over inside. It came out right here. So pretty much the whites are constant hot for the puddle lights. And the blacks that was with the whites connect to the door triggers on the doors. And for this part we had to extend it from that side to this side. So that takes care of the black and white for the puddle light. As for the outer lights, there was blue, red, and black. The black is your ground, so we hooked that up to ground on the body, and the blue is for the white lamps, which we connected to the parking lights. Try to turn off the parking lights. Oh, you can't see them good. Turn them on. Off. On. Off. And then try to show them the signals. So there's the hazards. Okay, Jerry. So for the signals, the left side goes to yellow and green off the main harness going to the headlight stock. The yellow wire with the green stripe. Don't mind my dirty hands. And the right side goes to green and yellow. The green wire with the yellow stripe. So that's pretty much it. And now we're just gonna tidy up this whole thing and pretty much done.
Go sleep.
Huh?
And then can go sleep.
We don't sleep.
You don't sleep. Shotgun.
Yo, shotgun. You're not.
Nah.
You're not down. And we're done. What wires?
Thanks again.
Anytime, man. And the fogs are done as well. Where are they? These things are bright. Oh, check this out, the fogs. So bright. Nice. So bright. Test your fogs, like, turn them off, your fogs. Look how bright his fogs are. Turn them on. Off. So bright. Oh, cherry. Very nice. Yeps. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share videos, and
Subscribe.